Hello, my love. Welcome to the Mindful Healing Path. I'm so grateful you are here. Today, we are reprogramming the mind, opening the heart, and returning home to your inner truth that you are already enough. This is a meditation of remembrance, a moment to reconnect with the love, confidence, and worth that already live within you. Through the power of positive affirmations, we gently rewrite the mind, creating new, empowering thought patterns. Listen to the recording each day for 21 days in the morning to uplift you, or at night to carry the loving thought into your dreams. Now let's begin. Find a comfortable seated or lying position. Let your shoulders drop. Relax your jaw. Unclench your hands. Soften your belly. Close your eyes if that feels good. And begin to connect with your breath. Take a long, slow inhale through your nose. And gently exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale. Exhale. Let go of all that you've been holding. There's nothing you need to do right now. Accept, receive. In this space, you are safe. You are held. You are enough. Now, I will begin the affirmations. Each one will repeat it twice. Then you will have time to repeat it silently or out loud. Let's begin. I accept myself exactly as I am. I accept myself exactly as I am. I respect myself. I respect myself. I love and embrace all of me. I love and embrace all of me. I am radiant. I am radiant. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. I am confident in myself and my worth. I am confident in myself and my worth. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I trust myself. I trust myself. I shine brightest when I am my true self. I shine brightest when I am my true self. I am beautiful, unique, and incomparable to others. I am beautifully unique and incomparable to others. I love my body. I love my body. I am grateful for my body and all it does to support me. I am grateful for my body and all it does to support me. All of me is beautiful. All of me is beautiful. I am worthy. I am worthy. My worth is innate and cannot be taken away. My worth is innate and cannot be taken away. I have enough. I do enough. I am enough. I have enough. I do enough. I am enough. I am good enough. I am good enough. I am powerful. I am powerful. I am powerful when I respect myself. I am powerful when I respect myself. I am powerful when I love myself. I am powerful when I love myself. I am a force. I am a force. I am strong. I am brave. I am resilient. I am strong. I am brave. I am resilient. I respect my energy and protect it with love. I respect my energy and protect it with love. I prioritize myself and my well-being. I prioritize myself and my well-being. Setting boundaries is an act of self-love. Setting boundaries is an act of self-love. I love being my most authentic self. I love being my most authentic self. I am smart. I am creative. I am capable. I am smart. I am creative. I am capable. I have everything I need within me to succeed. I have everything I need within me to succeed. I am exactly where I'm meant to be. I am exactly where I'm meant to be. I am loved. I am loved. I choose love over fear. I choose love over fear. I am ready to step into my true power. I am ready to step into my true power. I release all that does not align with my truest self. I release all that does not align with my truest self. I am ready to thrive as my highest self. I am ready to thrive as my highest self. I have the power to shape my story. I have the power to shape my story. I have the power to create my dream life. I have the power to create my dream life. Now take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel the warmth of the affirmations within you. They are not just words. They are the truth of who you are. You are loved. You are strength. You are enough exactly as you are. Know that you can return to this practice anytime to remember your worth, to reconnect with your light, to re-rise in your power. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. I honor you. I see you. I believe in you. Sending you deep love healing, and light. Namaste.